Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can get Bing AI on your Android or iOS devices. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly, and let's begin. So you can see that there is a great form on how to use Bing. You can access it on your browser anytime. You can see that it's a complete guide with the screenshots to help you understand better. First of all, open up your Play Store or App Store on the device and search for Bing. After that, install the first application and simply open it. And log in with your account. Now, if you don't have any account, then just create one so that you can follow along. Now, here you can see that there is no Bing AI feature at the home page of the application. To get the AI feature, simply scroll down all the way and look for the Apps tab at the bottom of the screen. It will be present at the bottom right corner. Just select it. Inside it, you will see a bunch of features like settings and history. Above the notifications tab, you can see that there is a floating banner. Simply click on it and tap on try now. And that's it. You have successfully accessed the Bing AI feature. You can use it like a chatbot or to do some specific searches. Anyway, so that's how you can get Bing AI on your Android or iOS. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.